Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. In this video, I want to show you how to fold the soft tee wide to make it a little bit smaller, compact, a little bit easier to carry in your first aid kit, or even you're looking to carry as part of your everyday carry. Make this a little bit easier on you. This is the new generation soft tee wide. I'm going to show you. It's a little bit different than some of the other videos you've seen on YouTube because this is going to be the new generation soft tee wide. And when we take a look on the tabletop, I'll show you how to tell if you have the new generation or an old generation. It's pretty simple if you know what you're looking for. But this is a soft tee wide. This is a great tourniquet to carry if you're looking for something to put in your first aid kit, your trauma kit, or even you're looking for something to add to your EDC. So if you're carrying a firearm, you should definitely look at carrying a tourniquet. And this is a very good one that's on the market. So we'll start off by showing you the difference between the old generation soft tee and the new generation soft tee. It's fairly simple if you know what you're looking for. So take this buckle off. This is it. This is how you tell. So if your soft tee has a flat buckle here, then you have an older generation. If it has a rounded buckle like this, then you have the new generation. And I've done a full review on this generation soft tee. I'll put a link down below. This buckle is much better than the flat. It feeds a lot easier, and this has been a great upgrade for the soft tee. A lot of guys like the soft tee, and it is a good tourniquet. Alright, to kind of give you an idea, this is the thickness that the soft tee comes in the packaging. It's really thick. It's probably about 2 inches here from the highest point. So that's what we're trying to slimline this process in case you're putting in your small IFAC or your EDC. This is going to be pretty bulky if you're carrying with your EDC. So we're going to slim it down just a little bit. So I usually set my tourniquets up for my arm because knowing my luck, it's going to be my dominant arm that gets injured. So I'm going to be trying to put this on with my non-dominant hand. You've got fine motor skills that are going, your adrenaline's pumping, things like that. So you want to leave a little slack here in your loop, but you don't want to be pulling a mile trying to get this tightened up onto your arm. So have it fairly loose, but have it set up for an arm, in my opinion. If you do get a leg injury, then you have both hands to work with to either open this up wider or simply take the buckle off, put it around your leg, pull the buckle tight, and then tighten up the tourniquet. So have a little bit of process there. So I do have this set up for my arm. Now that you have your loop big enough for your arm to slip through, got a little bit of extra in there, then we're going to pull the windlass to the side. So you can adjust it here, how much slack you need. Just pull it, and I usually put mine, so this top tip touches right here. Go ahead and fold the triangle over. Sometimes it wants to sneak out too. So go ahead and fold that over. We've got the windlass touching the top surface here. Take your bottom buckle and fold it over. So now, if you can see that on camera, we have a pretty good gap between where this buckle and this hole is right here. That's what we're going to fill with our tail. So you can pull your tail around and start stacking it. And I usually do a Z-fold, that way you're not going to get it trapped. And take your time, okay? The neater you make this, the more flat it's going to be and the better it's going to look. So I'm going to try to make this nice and neat and not take up too much of your time on the camera. Okay. A little bit. Let's see. Okay. So now, those are about even there. So I can smush it like a sandwich. You can see we're not that much thicker than our windlass here that we have. So this is where the rubber bands are going to come in handy. So these are the rubber bands that came with it. They have a UV protection on them, so if you do put your soft tee out in the weather, which I really don't recommend, but if you're going to put your soft tee out in the weather, then these are going to not degrade and break down with the sun. So just screw there. And dress it up a little bit like you do your nuts. Perfect. So now we're about 1 inch thick. So we cut our thickness down to about 1 inch. Gives it a nice low profile that slips right into your pocket. Makes it much easier to carry. Everybody has a way of folding these things, it seems like. So everybody's got an opinion. I'm not saying mine's the best, just kind of give you some choices out there. But I think this is a legitimate way to carry this as an EDC. This will fit in your pocket, fits in your front pocket nicely, fits in your IFAC, and it really looks nice and clean when you store it like this. I mean, it still doesn't look too bad that way, but I think it looks nice and neat stored this way. So I'm going to deploy the tourniquet, not going to do any editing so you guys can see me goof up, whatever you want to do. But I do have the rubber bands on here, so it does make it a little more difficult when you go to do it one-handed. So I am going to do it with my off hand as well. So got that rubber band off. Just trap my finger. There we go. Okay, and I'll take the other one off. Okay, now we have the tourniquet ready to deploy. Oops, I don't want to bend this arm because it's the one that's been shot. So I'll loop it through, pull it up, get it as high up as I can get it, and start to pull down. Okay, got it nice and tight. Rotate the windlass until bleeding stops. And then lock it into place, lock in the triangle. I'm a little slow when not locking the triangle, but let's see here. Yep, we got a delayed capillary refill. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And then you guys just got to believe me on this. There's no pulse there. So got it tight. You can see there again. 1 1000, 2 1000, 3, 4, 5, 6. Delay. So capillary refill is supposed to be about 2 seconds. We have delayed capillary refill. And then pop it loose. There we go. So I hope this video helps. If you're looking to carry a soft T wide, I think this is an excellent choice for you to carry as a tourniquet. Just makes it a little less bulky if you're going to carry it in your pocket, things like that. So hope this video helps. You never know when you'll be the first responder, when you're in the right gear and the right training.